Hello there, today I'm going to show you how I made this nice looking beautiful cupboard using CNC machine and a vacuum membrane press. Welcome to my channel once again, and I'm going to illustrate how this cupboard was made. As you can see here, one of my workers was trying to clean the final product. Very beautiful, well done with the CNC machine and a vacuum membrane place. So I use a CNC machine to cut the different parts of the cupboard, and as you can see, the CNC machine, CNC stands for Computer Numerically Controlled Machine. This is the same machine here, and you can see how it's going to start the job of cutting the different designs, and here it goes. Once the designs are cut, the next step is to cut the pieces out. These are the designs that have been completed by the CNC machine, and the next step is to cut out the different parts, the doors. These are the designs, you can see, very beautiful, and this machine is very precise. So you can see this is the final door. After laminating this door using this vacuum membrane place, this is the final door out of the vacuum membrane place. You can see here, these are the doors here, and after placing on the nice skins, we cut them out, and then the process of assembling the cupboard starts off. You can see we're starting to assemble, and this is the assembling process or joinery, and you can see the assembling was going on. My team was trying to put final touches by joining the different parts. Here you can see the product is almost ready. This is the final product, and yeah, this is how you can use technology to speed up the process of making such a cupboard. It took us about 1 hour to come up with this cupboard because of using advanced technology in furniture making. So in case you need more information on how you can also set up such systems, please contact me at Velux Limited on telephone number +256 772 872 533 and email at andrew.semaganda@gmail.com. Thank you very much, and please like my video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you very much. Bye for now.